When building or upgrading a PC, one critical step often gets overlooked: ensuring your RAM is compatible with your motherboard. Incompatibility can lead to boot failures or wasted budgets. Today, we'll guide you through this process, making sure every stick of memory works seamlessly with your setup. First, check your motherboard specifications. Most modern boards only support DDR4 or DDR5 RAM, and using the wrong type just won't work. Knowing this detail can save you from costly mistakes and wasted time on troubleshooting later. Next, let's dive into memory frequency and capacity limits. Your motherboard might support RAM speeds up to 3200 MHz, or even higher if it's overclock friendly, but exceeding its capabilities can cause instability. Always match these values for smooth performance. Once frequency and type are sorted, let's ensure the physical fit. Motherboards may have 2, 4, or even 8 RAM slots, but their arrangement dictates the ideal pairing. Verify dual-channel or quad-channel configurations to unlock peak performance. Dual-channel RAM configurations aren't just technical jargon. They double the throughput by allowing simultaneous data transfer, enhancing multitasking and gaming performance. Missing this step could leave power on the table. Don't forget to check voltage compatibility. While uncommon, some high-performance RAM kits need a higher voltage, which must be supported through BIOS settings. Aligning these specs guarantees stability under heavy workloads. Additionally, consider your operating system's limits. While modern Windows and Linux versions support large memory capacities, older systems like 32-bit OS are capped at 4 GB. Upgrading these systems allows you to harness today's larger configurations effectively. Cross-referencing your components with compatibility tools can simplify this process. Many motherboard manufacturers offer online RAM compatibility lists, making it as easy as searching your exact model. Double-checking these details ensures your PC runs smoothly without frustrating boot errors. Plugging the wrong memory into your system can cost valuable hours to diagnose and fix. With today's guide, you'll avoid these pitfalls entirely. By following these steps, you've mastered RAM and motherboard compatibility, an essential skill for any PC builder. Stay tuned for more guides to optimize your custom setups, save money, and ensure peak performance from your hardware. Like and subscribe for expert content delivered right to your screen.